everyone, this is Nikita.
And this is Rashmin Raj
We are from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning.
of Konkan Arts and Science College.
Our classes are handled by well-experienced and supportive faculty members who explain the concept clearly and guide us to understand both theory and practical knowledge.
Apart from this, our department motivates us to do online courses like Coursera, through which we can access the industry-relevant challenges and also earn valuable certifications.
Our department provides a well-equipped classrooms with comfortable seating and smart boards to create a wonderful experience for effective learning. With consistent guidance from our faculty members, our students have achieved a tremendous results over the years.
Our college provides various sports activities. In addition to it, our college provides sports quota who are excellent in sports activities. We have many sports like football, cricket, volleyball, throwball, and many more sports for both men and women.
We are happy to be part of such supportive and inspiring department.
Come join us and explore the future with A&M.
Thank you.